Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with another video. Today we will be installing Ubuntu as a virtual machine on our VirtualBox hypervisor. Let's jump straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this done and get your lab set up. If you've been following along with my past videos, then you probably already got VirtualBox installed on your device, which is right here. Let's just launch it real quick just so you can see. Now remember, there's many other hypervisors that you can use. Another good, well-known one is VMware. If you have a Windows device, Windows Pro, Windows 11 Pro or whatever, your device should come with Hyper-V on it as well. This is different options that you have that will allow you to install virtual machines on your device. I'm using VirtualBox. Guys, so go to this website right here. I'm gonna leave the link in the video, in the description of the video. You wanna go to this link right here. This is where you will download Ubuntu from. Now I already downloaded it because it takes a little bit of time, not too long, maybe about 10 minutes or so. I just downloaded it previously, so I already got it. If you don't have it downloaded yet, go ahead and download, pause the video. When you download it, it's gonna be in your downloads folder. Because these things take up space, the virtual machine, every time you install a virtual machine, it's gonna take up some kind of space on your device. I don't want that. That's why I am installing mines on my portable SSD drive. All I did was after I downloaded it, I created a folder called Lab VMs because I'm creating my own lab. Inside of that folder, I created a folder for my Windows 11 VM. I created a folder for the Ubuntu VM. All I did was I downloaded the ISO file. I moved it into this folder on my SSD drive. Now I am about to set it up. You don't have to do this. You could just set it up on your regular C drive. You could, it don't matter. As long as you have the space, you should be good. We're gonna move here. Now we're gonna create a new virtual machine. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna name the virtual machine Ubuntu VM. I'm gonna go to my folder and I'm gonna navigate to my portable SSD, labs, Ubuntu, select this folder. Then for the ISO image, same thing, go to others. I'm gonna go to my portable drive, labs. I'm gonna go to Ubuntu. I'm gonna select the ISO. I'm gonna click open. Then I'm gonna uncheck this right here. All right. Now I'm gonna go to specify virtual hardware. I'm gonna dedicate at least 6 gigs of RAM. Remember, this is gonna be dependent on what amount of RAM you have on your device, especially if you're gonna be running multiple virtual machines at the same time. You wanna make sure that you have a good balance to where the both of them can operate together. Now for this, I'll put 2 CPUs. For, let me see, we're gonna go to hard disk. Let's just do 60. I can always go back in and change these, so don't overthink it. As you could see, it's ready. All I gotta do is click start. I'm gonna X out of this. Try or install Ubuntu. I'm gonna just click enter. I think if you don't click enter, it's gonna eventually select the one that is already highlighted. So just make sure it is on try or install Ubuntu. There we go. We click install. Then we're gonna go to English. If that's your language, make sure you're picking the right language for you. We don't really need this right now. We could go to next. English for my keyboard, keep it as that. Gonna leave that as that. Just click next. An update is available for the installer. Update to the latest version for more improved reliability and features. We don't necessarily have to do that. I'm going to click update. That's only because I just want to make sure I have the updated version on my stuff. I'm one of those people like unless there's a specific feature or something specific I'm keeping the older version for. I try to keep my stuff updated to make sure that it's running and performing the way how it should, especially if I'm going to be using different tools. So I want to make sure that it plays nice with my operating system as much as possible. We're going to close this. There we go. We're going to relaunch it just because we just did the update. Next. I'm going to keep next. Click next. We're going to click next. I'm going to name it Ubuntu VM. I will just put my password. New York, America for the time zone. That seems good for me. And then let me just let it do its thing. All right, as you could see, we are finished, guys. So it should reach to this screen after it finishes installing. And all you got to do is click restart now. It says, please remove installation media. VirtualBox should have removed this automatically. But if we want, we could click on device. And then we can go to optical drive. Click on remove disk from virtual drive. So we should be able to press enter and be able to come on. We in our VM now, put our password in, sign in, just click next here. We're gonna just skip this for now because we don't need to do that for right now. There we go. Guys, this is how you install Ubuntu as a virtual machine. Now, if you have any issues installing this, comment below and I will be happy to help you out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see y'all in the next video.